An aircraft mechanic can be stressful. You know, you're fixing problems. You are troubleshooting, you're trying to discover complex issues on the most cases, or it's easy stuff, and it's tedious, but as you get more experience, you will gain that experience, and it's just a process, following the rules, following the book, going through step by step, and even that waiting for things to happen. So there's that. And especially if you're in the military and you don't like your job, it could be super stressful. It could be stressful when things don't go your way, and it happens. You're fixing somebody else's mistake. Engineers thought they know what they were doing, so they gotta you gotta go take out extra components, and they put them in the most ridiculous places. Yeah, and you got some compact aircraft like an F-16 in my example. It's very compact, and you have to really be flexible in your hands and your arms and stuff like that. And you have to get to places. You have to have some strength in your fingers. So yeah, I'm sure that that's the case for a lot of people who work on small aircraft and work on aircraft like an F-16 where it's super compact. I've heard helicopters are pretty compact as well, and I've seen them up close too. But yeah, it depends how you can handle stress too. If you're the type of person stressed out easily, then yeah, it'll be stressful. And if you're not, you're just going through the motions because you already know, if you see aircraft maintenance as a rewarding thing to do, then you probably won't get stressful. It's like, hey, this is a challenge. So it's kind of like how you approach it too.